Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your EVS class. In the last class, children, we learned chapter 7. We started chapter 7 and learned chapter 7 houses around us. There we have covered types of houses. We saw in the types of houses there are bungalow, a pakka house, tall building and kacha houses. The bungalow, pakka house, the tall building are made of cement and steel, brick, etc. And the kacha house is made of straw and mud. Okay. Next we learned about the rooms in our houses. We have many rooms in a house that are kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, dining room, guest room and living room. So today we are going to continue the chapter with the topic taking care of our homes. How to take care of our homes. So class 1, please take all of you EVS book chapter 7 page number 40. Look page number 40 में the down heading taking care of our homes. We'll see how to take care of our homes. We all have home and how to take care of our houses. To stay healthy, it is important to live in a clean house. We should help our family members to keep the house clean. We should not litter the houses. What we should do? If we want to stay healthy, we should keep our houses clean. So we need to help other members of our house also to live happily and in good health. Next, you come to page 41. In 41 may see what we have to do. We should keep things in their proper places. When we take things, we have to keep in the same place. Our house should have a dustbin in which we can throw waste. The dustbin should be kept covered and keep flies away. What we should do, we have to have a dustbin in our houses where we can throw the waste, and the dustbin should be covered so the flies will not come and sit. See here. What are the things used to decorate your houses? What we should do? Okay, children, we'll finish this, then we'll go there. We can also make our house look nice. How? We can decorate it with paintings, pictures, wall hanging, etc. So we can make our house also beautiful to look nice by decorating with paint, pictures and wall hanging. So now tell me, what are the things we use to decorate our houses? We can use to decorate our houses with our photos of our family members, the scenery and your childhood photos and some flowers, light, etc. We can also keep our house look nice. Okay. Now we are going to see values and life skill. We should keep our parents to keep our home clean. We should help our parents to keep our house clean. What you do? You should keep our things in proper places. For example, if you use your school bag while doing your homework, after doing your homework, you have to keep the books all inside your school bag, not here and there. Okay. Then we should not litter the floor. We should not make it dirty our house. Why do you think we should keep our homes clean? Why should we keep our homes clean, children? We should keep our home clean in order to stay healthy, live happily and in good health and happiness. Okay. So what should we do? We should always keep our home clean. Now the points to remember what we learned in our chapter. From beginning to till the end, what we learned, the sum of the points are here. We will see. Okay. What did we learn? Houses around us. The house we live in is called our home. What is home? The house where we live is known as house. Home. Then we need houses to protect us. What will protect us? House. It will protect us from where? It will protect us from heat, cold, wind, thieves, animals and rain. Okay, so we need house to live. Houses are of different types. There are many different types are there. What are they? Pakka houses are strong and are made of brick, steel and cement. Then kacha house we saw, which is weak and made of mud and straw. Next one, what we learned? A house usually has different rooms for different purpose. What are they? Different rooms: kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, dining room and living room. Okay, there are many rooms in a house. Then we should keep our house clean. What we have to do? Our house must be kept clean. So we must keep our house clean. We can use different things to decorate our houses. We can keep our house clean and look nice. We can decorate our houses. Now children, turn to page 42. Words to learn. What are the words we learn in this chapter? Home, pakka house, kacha house, roof, sloping roof, litter. Now we will see what is the meaning of this. Home means the house we live in. Pakka house, a strong house made of bricks, cement and steel. Okay. Then kacha house, a house made of mud and straw that is not very strong. Roof, what is that? The top of a house that covers it. Sloping roof, a kind of roof with one end higher than the other. Litter, to make something untidy by leaving things on the ground. So that means litter. So these are the words we learn in our chapter 7. Okay children, so please all of you read the chapter, learn it and remember the points that we learn and also learn the words meaning. Children, we have completed the chapter. Now we are going to see the exercises. Okay, in page 42. See A, filling the blanks. First one, we live in our homes with our dash. It is given friends and family. With whom are we living in our home? It is our family. So you can do the tick mark or you can write it here. We live with a family. Okay, all of you take your pencil and write it. Second one, a strong house is made of. Second one, a strong house is made of dash, bricks and straw. Strong house is made of brick. So you can take it and here write it. B R I C K S. Bricks. The third one. A hut is a dash house. It is Pakka house or Kacha house. A hut is a Kacha house. So take it and you can write it. K U C H C H A. Okay, Kacha house. Fourth one. Houses on the mountains have dash roofs. What they have, flat or sloping? They will have sloping. Okay, to water to come down. S L O P I N G. Okay, sloping. Fifth one. To stay healthy, it is important to live in a dash house. Clean house or big house? It is a clean house. So write down CLEAN. Okay, clean house. Okay, children. Next, see, choose the correct answer. We cook our food in the kitchen, bathroom or bedroom. They have given us 3 options. Where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. So take A. Then second one. We bathe in the dining room, bathroom or bedroom or kitchen. They have given 4 options. We bathe in the bathroom, B. So tick or make the goal. Okay. Third one. We sleep in the, where we sleep? They have given option dining room, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen. Where we sleep? We sleep in the bedroom. Okay, C will be right answer. Fourth one. We sit with our guests in the, where we sit with our guest? Kitchen is given option, bathroom, living room, none of this. Where we sit with our guest in a living room. Okay, C. Fifth one. We have our meals in the option living room, bathroom, bedroom, dining room. Where we eat our food in the dining room. D is the correct answer. Okay, children. So these are the 2 exercises, A and B. A, filling the blanks. B, choose the correct answer. So now you come to page number 43. Page number 43, C is your homework. Okay, you will sit with your mother or father and write down this question. This is your homework. Okay, C is your homework. Then here, do and learn. On your own, in your scrapbook, draw the rooms in your house. Write few lines about it. How many windows and doors there are? Where you sleep? Which room you like the most? So what you will do in the do and learn, my first one, you will write down in your book. Okay, you will draw the rooms that you have in your house and write lines about that. The rooms, what are they you have, and how many windows and doors you have. Write it down, and where you sleep and the room that you most like. Okay, this is also your homework. So 2 homework we have. Okay, children. So please do read this chapter 7. Complete the filling the blanks and choose the correct answer. Then do the homework, the C and do and learn first one. Okay, children. We'll see. I also will write down some extra question and send for you for the study. So we will end our class here. Please do and complete your exercises. Wish you all the best, children. Bye.